You open your phone for 5 minutes, and suddenly 2 hours are gone. You didn't plan to waste time, it just happened. And the worst part? You know it's happening, but you can't stop. So, what's really controlling you? Your mind or your phone? Let's be honest, we've all been there. You scroll, scroll, scroll. One video leads to another, one reel becomes 100. Your brain says, just one more. But what it really means is, just one more dopamine hit. Today, you'll learn why your brain can't stop scrolling, and how to break that loop, step by step, without deleting your apps or going offline. Why you can't stop every scroll gives your brain a tiny reward. That's dopamine, the feel-good chemical that says, hey, this feels nice, do it again. But here's the trap. Dopamine isn't satisfaction. It's anticipation. It's that feeling that something interesting is coming next. And short videos, reels, shorts, TikToks, are perfectly designed for it. They hijack your brain's reward system, just like a slot machine. You pull the lever. Maybe you get something exciting, maybe not. So you keep pulling. Except this time, the lever is your thumb. The real cost of scrolling, the price you pay, isn't just time. It's focus. Your attention span shrinks. Your motivation fades. And your brain starts craving constant stimulation. That's why reading a book feels boring. Why meditation feels impossible. And why you can't sit in silence without reaching for your phone. But it's not your fault. It's how your brain adapts to endless micro-rewards. To regain control, you have to retrain it, slowly, intentionally. Step 1. Awareness. The first step isn't deleting apps. It's noticing when you scroll unconsciously. Next time you open your phone, ask, why am I opening this? If there's no clear answer, put it down. You can even label moments. I'm bored. I'm anxious. I'm avoiding something. When you become aware, you take the first bit of control back. Because now, you're choosing, not reacting. Step 2. Create friction. Your brain loves easy rewards. So make them harder to reach. Move your most distracting apps into a folder named, Are You Sure? Turn off their notifications. Or use grayscale mode. Make your screen boring. Tiny friction breaks autopilot behavior. And once you interrupt the loop, your brain starts realizing, oh, I don't actually need this right now. Step 3. Replace the reward. You can't remove a habit. You can only replace it. So find your real dopamine. Do something that makes you proud afterward. Like journaling, working out, drawing, reading one page of a book. You don't need to cut off dopamine. You just need to earn it instead of wasting it. Step 4. Rebuild focus. Gradually. Focus is like a muscle, weak from overuse of distraction. Start small. Spend 10 minutes doing nothing but one task. No music, no notifications. Then stretch that to 20 minutes. This is how you rewire your brain for deep focus again. You'll start noticing something strange. Boredom won't scare you anymore. In fact, you'll start liking it. Because boredom is where creativity starts. You don't need to throw away your phone. You just need to remember, you are not the product of your scrolling habits. You are the one who decides where your attention goes. The next time your thumb moves on its own, pause and remind yourself, you're not missing out, you're taking your mind back.